Bye, buddy. I'm gonna miss you. You're my favorite. Bye, buddy. See you in 2 months, okay? Yeah. Oh. Alrighty, I'm ready.
Do you,
Don't need this.
yeah, that's for Ben.
Yeah.
Do you need this?
Yes.
I got your suitcase outside.
Okay.
Is that your brush?
Yeah. So I have so much hair now. Alright. Goodbye,
You
house.
can
This
take
your deposit slip.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to say, you can take the paper. I read what I needed to read, so. You probably were taking it anyways.
Bye, kitty.
Alright, I'll be in the back seat.
I think got everything. Got my brain. Things are in the car. Wallet's in there.
Bye, Charlie. Alright, and on to the airport we go.